Okay, before I even go next door, then I'm gonna just make sure that I floss. I honestly can't find my expandable floss. I like expandable floss. I don't like this kind, but it will do. Hygiene is important, and we're supposed to take care of ourselves consistently, right? When you floss, you're supposed to do like a C shape. You're not supposed to floss like down. You're supposed to floss like in a C. Yeah. I hate this kind of floss, honestly. I like expandable floss. Aw, thank you. You're offering to be the moderator. I suck at setting moderators, though. That's the thing. Last time it took me forever, and my hands are kind of dirty. My name is Annette. That's my name, Annette. And I go by Nettie, Netti. Every time they ask me, like, and so most of the time I go by Annette, like, if it's family. Thank you. I appreciate you offering. It's really kind of you. I go by Nettie most of the time, though. But they don't know, like, when I'm at, like, I'm in the drive-thru of, like, getting coffee or something, they always put Betty, or they put, like, Nelly. It's like the word, like, the name Nettie is not popular enough for people to know it. I don't know. Okay. I hate this. I hate this floss. I love my expandable floss. Where is it? I'm gonna get good at, like, assigning moderators because, like, I do need help. For sure. I'm not even going in order because I'm so uncomfortable. I don't even like this. But it'll do the job. Oh, thank you. I hope you have a great day as well, and I hope you stay hydrated too. I am hydrated. I actually am resting my phone on my hydro flask right now. You know what's so funny is, like, I used to buy all the different kinds of metal hydro flasks. So, like, oh, this is cute. Let me stay hydrated like this. And the only one that will stick with me is, like, the ones that are not metal. Like, I like the ones that are metal. Like, I'm cool with my water getting room temp. If anything, like, it forces me to, like, drink my water faster so before the water gets, like, room temp, you know, because I like cold water. Mm-hmm. But seriously, I highly recommend not buying the regular floss. I think you guys should buy, like, the expandable floss on Amazon because it makes a huge difference. It feels so much cleaner. Yeah. I'm done. I don't like this floss. It's really bothering me. At least I used my water flosser, you know? Let me do one more. If you guys want to know how old I am, definitely go to my page. I did, like, a video on just telling you a little bit about myself, so if you guys